Hello, so I have built this campaign for the NPS survey. So this is the whole system. It will take you through from the asking from the clients for the survey and till to the referral form and referral sequence. So what happening is, let me explain it to you so you can understand what are the tagging system I have applied. I have used a six division tagging system and how it works. So what happened is, this is the entry point to start the campaign within your Infusionsoft application or Keap application. So this is the tag you need to apply to anyone you want to start this campaign, or you can directly send this NPS survey form to anyone through the link. So let me tell you that once someone came over here, it will go to the survey. So these are the three rows. It's defined as these are the history and system tag, history and status tag basically. So let me write down for you. So this row is for status and history tag. So what are the system tag, history tag and status tag? So status tag are like you will know the status of the person which is in your Infusionsoft where the person is right now. So at the start, all the status tag will be removed from the previous one so that you will know the exact the status tag. So all the status tag are going to remove over here, and here it will apply uh, status the tag which is right now asked for the survey. So it's stuck here. So and after that, this is the history tag is applied. This this history tag will never be removed from the contact. So in any campaign it will never be removed, it will be forever stuck with the contact. So you will know after 10 years that you will know that this person has gone through these steps and these campaigns and these sequences. But the system his status tag will be removed from each follow-up sequence to another. So you will know that where is right now the person is. Okay, and what is this? This one is a system tag row. So you can I can just write down here that this row is for the system tag. System tags are basically the action tags. System tags. And the last row is of course for the email and other delay and profile tags. So this is how it goes. First it will ask for the survey, then after 7 days if is not replying or not filling up the form, then another follow-up emails to the contact. And let's go back to the once they click on that and they will open up the form like that. It will ask for the survey, the you know from 1 to 10. So how I scribe is, from 1 to 6 is detractor, 7 to 8 is natural, and 9 to 10 is a promoter. And here is the feedback for that. And I have created the thank you page as well for this. So once this decision diamond will decide where it goes. If it's selected 9 or 10, it will go to the promoter sequence. If someone has from 7 to 8, it will go to the natural. And if someone select 1 2 3 4 5 till 6, it will go to the detractor. So this is how it decided, and it go there. And once from the promoter and natural, it will go ask for the referral form. But in detractor, of course, it's not going to ask for the referral because he's not happy with the services. So this is how it works. And these are the campaign sequences set up. So you will see the same status tag and history tag and system tags. And here I have applied another tag that is called the to do tag that NPS survey is in the natural and you should call someone. Someone has to call from the system. It will go after to the dashboard. And these are the first it asks for the thank you email. Then after 7 days it will ask for the referral. And if not something is not happening, another reminder over here. This is all for the promoter as well, and in the same sense, but the tractor is not going to ask for the referral. Of course, if it has another one that this is under this detractor and call them to ask for the services, and this will go to the referral form. Here is the referral form I have created. Here the person contact needs to put the referral, and here he has to put, it should says your name, so it would be easier that he will understand this is for him to provide his email and name. So it said don't forget to provide your information so you can get the credit. Okay, so then again for the referral follow-up sequences, it will ask for the the email. That's it. So this is the simple NPS survey. So if you have any question, let me know. Thank you.